Social media personality Teboho Tobajana has opened up about the painful aftermath of an alleged plot against her life, revealing how the experience has permanently changed her. Instead of simply being another trending topic, she says this is a reality she has to live with daily, battling fear, anxiety, and a PTSD that affects her sense of safety in cars, public spaces, and even ordinary moments. She shared that the violent incident not only left another person in a wheelchair but could have left her own son without a mother, a personality she says people seem to overlook when turning her story into gossip. Teboho also expressed frustration at how court appearances are being discussed online, with some focusing more on outfits and reactions than the seriousness of the charges. Watching the accused appear relaxed in court reportedly added to her emotional pain. Despite everything, she says she has chosen forgiveness for her own peace and is leaning on her faith as she works towards healing, making it clear that her priority now is rebuilding her life rather than seeking revenge.